Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write and execute a simple script in Bash in Ubuntu system. For that, you must open Windows PowerShell. Here I'm using a WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux. So I'm opening my Ubuntu system. Once I open, so let me do the basic operation, that is ls, which list all my file over here. Okay, so if you can see here, replace welcome lines.sh. The file which ending with sh is called as shebang file or else scripting file. Okay, here also you can see sh. Here replace words txt. Txt is nothing but text, as we know. So these are all the extension you must need to know before scripting. So here, to write a script, we must create a file which should be in the form of scripting or executing file. For this, you must create a file. For example, right now I'm creating one file called greeting.sh. To create this or to open this, I will be using an editor like VS Code or PyCharm in Windows. Here I'll be using Nano. Nano is a file editor we'll be using in Ubuntu. If I enter, you will be opening with the file. So next, I'll be writing a complete program. Just look, then I'll explain. Okay. Hash bin bash. If I want to put a command line, I'll just use hashtag simple greeting script echo hi. This is Infiniveda. Echo the current date and time is so this is my simple script. I have written this bin and bash. So this bin and bash is called a shebang line. This line tells the Ubuntu system, as this is a scripting file, so you must execute. Okay, so this is a command line. Here this echo is nothing but we are printing this statement. So it says as to print, hi, this is Infiniveda. This echo also says to print, but here we have taken the date function to put today's date after this semicolon. So let us execute this. For executing this, you must close this file by saving. For this, if you press Ctrl O, it will save the file. Press enter, it has saved the file, and Ctrl X, it will close the file. Once it is done, you must make the script executable. For this, you have to do chmod +X. This is executable. In my further video, I will do on user permissions, like how you can do this operations. Okay, for executing primarily, or if you are learning stage, if you want to get well versed with Ubuntu system, just practice these kind of commands few more times. In my future videos, I'll upload on this user permissions. Greeting.sh. So right now I have changed my file to executable form. So once this is done, you have to run the script by /greeting.sh. As you can see, the output has printed, "Hi, this is Infiniveda. The current date and time is Monday, July 6th, and it is 7:03 Indian Standard Time of 2026. So this is how you can execute shell scripting in much simple way. Here you will be getting if, for, loops, conditional statements, functions, and all of things, which I'll be doing in my further videos bit by bit. So for this video, how to execute and get know with simple and easy script. Okay, so if I want to revise, let us see. We have checked by seeing ls, like what are the files we have. After that, we have created greeting.sh file, then we have written our code, then we have pressed Ctrl O to save the file and press enter, then Ctrl X to close the file. Once it has done, then we have changed the file permission to be executable form, which means the greeting.sh file what you have created, it will be in a state where in a text format, because we have not given any instruction to our Ubuntu system to execute this greeting.sh. To make it executable, we have to change the permission to executable form, which is the X letter, which says ch means change, mod means modification, executable form for what? Greeting.sh. Once this is done, you will be running the file like /filename. If you are using Python for in VS Code, you will be getting a play button. The same way you will be executing this. Once it is done, you will get the output. You can find many different codes in online and websites. Go check over there, take the codes and try to figure it out. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching.